Welcome to the video Export Measurements tab. This video shows you how to export a project's measurements and WBS to Microsoft Excel, as well as the possibilities of the Measurements tab. Click on the WBS tab and select Export WBS in order to export the WBS in a particular form that contains all the work item and measurement fields in columns, even those that are not visible in the WBS. Notice that under the expression column, you can see the full expression of the measurement so that you can check the measurements. In order to export the table to Microsoft Excel, click the corresponding button. ExtrAXION enables you to export the WBS in many different forms. Export WBS, Export Details, Export Summary, and the fourth option, Export Work Items, where you can define the form and the columns of the Excel file. This option includes the measurements along with all their details. You can change the table's form as you wish by moving or hiding columns. To hide a column, right-click on its title and select Column Chooser. Then, you can move the columns that you want to hide to the Column Chooser window that appears. This is done by clicking and dragging them. More information about the column chooser is available in the video Filters, Sorting, and Grouping. Select the Export Work Items option, and the table is exported to Microsoft Excel in its current form. This export option includes all export data, carrying any applied changes such as switching the position of columns or hiding them, etc. Click on the Measurements tab, and a table appears on the screen that contains all the measurements without following the WBS structure. There is also the possibility to sort and group the measurements table. In order to sort the table, click on the column's header, for instance, Drawing, Description, Unit, or Quantity, and the table adjusts so that the measurements are sorted according to the column you have chosen. You can also export the measurements table to Excel if you like. Click on the Export Measurements button to export work items in a special table that contains all the work items and measurement fields in columns, even those that cannot be seen in the Measurements tab. In this table, you can use simple or complex filters to export in Excel form only the measurements that you are interested in. In this particular example, we will use a complex filter on the Drawing column. Place your mouse over the header of the Drawing column and click on the symbol that appears. Then, select Custom from the list that appears in order to use a complex filter. Now, enter the filter conditions you wish to impose. Select Second Floor or Equals and View to show only the measurements included in these two drawings. You can now export the filtered table in XLS form. Click on the corresponding button to do so. For more information on ExtrAXION, you can browse our website www.alconsoft.com or contact us via email. You can also download our free trial version to get a glimpse of what ExtrAXION has to offer. Thank you.